Welcome again to the Framework Data Hub. The Framework Data Hub is based on the open source web-based catalog GeoNetwork, which is part of the Open Source Geospatial Foundation. In this video, we will learn how to discover, query, and extract a metadata record from the Framework Data Hub. But first of all, what is metadata? Imagine metadata as the DNA of your data. It's the essential information that tells you everything you need to know about your data. It includes details like when the data was created, what it contains, its quality, and its condition. Why is metadata important? First, it makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Think of it as a super efficient search tool. Second, it ensures the accuracy and reliability of your data. Without metadata, it's like trying to read a book without a cover or a title page. You wouldn't know where it came from or if you could trust it. Third, metadata is a game changer for data sharing and collaboration. It helps everyone stay on the same page. And last but not least, metadata provides the detailed information needed to understand and use data correctly. It's like a user manual that ensures you get the most out of your data. So, now that we know what metadata is, let's start discovering some of the biodiversity datasets collected in the farmer clusters of the Framework project. Once you are on the main page of the Framework Data Hub, you can sign in using your user login details. First, enter your username, then your password, and sign in. Once you are signed in, you can start discovering the framework datasets by browsing these by topics or by type of resources. Let's browse the datasets by type of resources. Next, you have various ways of discovering the data. Users can discover and access biodiversity data through search functions, including this search box where you can type in to get suggestions, and you can also filter the datasets through a list of predefined keywords. For instance, imagine you're a scientist that want to analyze biodiversity data collected by citizen scientists in the Italian farmer cluster of Monte Pisano in Calci. Or imagine you're an Italian farmer that wants to know what species have been observed by citizen scientists in the farmer cluster you belong to. You can check the keyword Italy, and we discover 4 metadata records of datasets collected in the Italian farmer cluster. Let's choose this one called Citizen Science Biodiversity Observations in Farmer Clusters in Farmer Cluster Monte Pisano by clicking the title of the record. By accessing a metadata record, it will bring you to the index view of the metadata that displays a subset of the metadata such as the title, the download file, the spatial extent of the dataset, the format of the dataset, and so on. You can also set the display mode as full view to display all metadata elements where you will find information about identification, distribution, spatial representation, reference system, and metadata of the metadata. From the index view page, you can download the dataset by clicking on the download button, and you can save it in your file explorer. From the view menu, you can also download the metadata record, which describes the dataset in several formats. I will download it as a PDF file, and as you can see, it will generate a report of the metadata record of the previously downloaded dataset. So, until here, we have looked at how to discover, query, and extract data and metadata from the Framework Data Hub based on the web catalog application GeoNetwork. Thank you very much for your time. And now I invite you to watch the next video where we will show you how to create, edit, and publish a metadata record and attach a dataset to it.